Hello folks, we're getting ready to pick some beans. Now I brought two baskets. Now I know we're not going to have two, I don't think we'll have two baskets full. But the one is for the bush beans here and the other one is for the pole beans. These are the jade green beans and that is Vortex green beans over there. Alright. Chug, do you want to pick the bush or the
Don't matter.
Pole bean? If you want to, go down there picking the pole beans.
See, big enough, or you want them bigger than that?
Well, I don't know. We ain't never done. Go ahead and get the biggest and start with. We ain't never tried the Vortex. But we ain't never tried Jade either. We've just heard good reviews about them. I'm going to do better if I just go ahead and get down on my knees here. There's a little bit smaller ones in there. We'll leave them, let them grow just a little bit.
It's a big bean.
Yeah, it is. That's one of the Vortex there. Hopefully you can see that. Oh. And I'm going to be honest, folks. Fresh green beans are good, but I swear I believe I'd rather have them canned. There's just something about
Home canned.
Home canned, yes,
Not
home canned, not store-bought canned, no. Home canned.
Yeah.
And that's one of the main things with green beans. Keep them picked off and they'll keep on producing. Just don't tear your vines up. And I guarantee you'll look back, I should have missed one.
Mm-hmm.
Now years ago, Mountain City was known as the green bean capital of the world. Everywhere around there's just fields of beans where the farmers would plant. Then they'd go around in trucks for people to get in. They'd pay them to pick the beans for them there. Dixie says it's hot out here. Yeah.
Hot and humid.
Yeah, it's pretty humid today. Hey Shug, can you step down there and turn that off, the water on the end down there?
Down at the stick it.
No, just right up there. The end. Other side of the stove.
Oh, okay.
I think they said they used to get like a quarter a bushel for beans for picking. The workers are doing all the picking. I'd have starved to death. And we've got time, if we like these beans, we'll plant us another row down here in the outside garden.
Ladybug.
I seen that ladybug this morning there. I guess it's a real ladybug.
I hope. That's all we're going to give this. There's still some, I mean, they're long, but then you got big round ones.
Yeah.
There might be a couple of them missed here.
Gracious. We got a darn poke growing up out here.
Okay, girl.
You like Daddy can't take the heat no more? Huh? After we get done this, we'll go down and start digging some holes for the next tomatoes planting outside. I think Daniel counted the other day. We've got 108 tomato plants in here. Alrighty. Is that it? There's a long one. Yep. See, I missed two here. Alrighty, folks. We brought you along for our first bean picking of the year. Hopefully the first of many. And hope you all have a blessed day. Stay safe, Lord willing. Be seeing you soon. Thank you all for watching.
Holmans Homestead in the springtime. Morning sun breaking through the trees, fresh cut grass and a cool spring breeze. Baby goats bouncing full of life, little hooves dancing in the morning light. Garden rows lined up straight and true, hands in the dirt, got work to do. Seeds in the ground, faith in the rain, watching everything come up again. It's springtime on Holmans Homestead life, waking up, no time for bed. From bottle babies to garden rows, this is the life we love and know. Yeah, the fence line holds our dreams instead of any road we could have led. Just simple living, hearts wide open, springtime on Holmans Homestead. Mama goats calling, babies run, chickens scratching in the sun, windmills spinning nice and slow, thankful for this life we grow. Every sunset paints the sky, seasons change but so do I. Right here's where we're meant to be, living slow and living free. It's springtime on Holmans Homestead life, waking up, no time for bed. From bottle babies to garden rows, this is the life we love and know. Yeah, the fence line holds our dreams instead of any road we could have led. Just simple living, hearts wide open, springtime on Holmans Homestead. So we'll keep on growing day by day, sharing this life the country way, from our home out here instead. Thank you for watching from Holmans Home.